Hi, everybody. Mike Donnelly here from Barrier Free Contractors. Taking a look at this shower, you're going to see it's an impossible shower for wheelchair users. This access door here is less than 24 inches. There's no way that this person can get into the shower without actually getting out of the chair, moving in, or having some substantial help to do that. And you can see that the access point is so limited to be able to turn around from the toilet into the shower area. So all of this good stuff isn't impossible. There's no way to access the shower. So she can't stand up and transfer. That's impossible in this case. So the shower is too small, but it has a ton of grab bars. Well, that's a plus, I gotta tell you. But there's so many grab bars, it just makes no sense. Have you ever seen so many? So okay, so we're gonna redo this whole shower. We're gonna make this a room where this young lady can stand up and enjoy her shower. You're gonna find out in a few more videos how this is done. Thank you.